So it's been 15 years since the first BDR project where we created the Washington Backcountry Discovery Route. And 15 years later, we went back and did a major renovation to the Washington BDR.
We're going to ride the new route, show you some of the changes, and highlight 15 years of backcountry discovery routes. And the idea with this project was to bring the band back together.
I was really excited to see some of the new sections that Bryce has now unlocked for us to enjoy.
We have a new section that starts here. And what we do is we're going to go up this road here, and then we're going to come back on a little national forest road that is completely hidden and seldom used and very fun to ride.
What we had was perfectly fine. We're just trying to make it a little bit better. There shouldn't be too much crazy art stuff.
Famous last words.
I know, I'm bad at that.
Bryce has quite a reputation for telling us that there's nothing difficult up ahead, and then you get into it and you realize, holy cow, this is actually pretty challenging.
It's Bryce being exactly like he was 15 years ago.
We've made it up here to one of the best places to camp. I mean, you can just see forever and ever and ever.
I have to say, this is one of my favorite sections when you're climbing out of the valley. To the west is the Cascade Mountains. It's just gorgeous.
This road today has a little bit of everything: sand, rocks, gravel.
It's this cool 2-track that's got grass growing in the middle. It feels like nobody ever goes on this road.
Having come back 15 years later, I realized it is so much fun to ride, and it's great terrain. It just belonged on the route from the beginning.
Just going up over the passes and into a valley that nobody can get to.
This is the high country in Washington. It's beautiful.
It's epic.
It's just a beautiful part of the world, so I hope a lot of people use the 2.0 WABDR Edition as a reason to come back and check it out if they've already ridden it, and if they haven't, they really need to come check it out.